You feel the vibe, everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today. Oh, what he's I get by the 9 to 5, now I'm feeling alive and I gotta no ride, but it's okay, baby, I'm a riding the tide in this crypto thing. As we walking through the mall, rolling up, getting ready to fucking call someone for more because we're running out, smoking out. I get 2 grams grinded up, I don't know if I have enough for you and me, but that's why they call it weed. If I got it, we got it, come on and shout it. Someone's always got something to say, and if it's negative, I don't play. I don't really care what you say. I puff, and then I passed my ass right on the floor because my dumb ass could fucking take no more. And this is the story that you can't ignore. Get by on a 9 to 5, now I'm feeling alive. Do you feel the vibe? Everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today. Oh, what he's I get by the 9 to 5, now I'm feeling alive and I gotta no ride, but it's okay, baby, I'm a riding the tide in this crypto thing.
Wall Street Pete's dollar. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Come on over, hit the bell, hit that all notification. How's everybody doing on this Sunday? Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, wherever you may be watching this. We're talking about cryptocurrency and the Bitcoin news. All-time high subscribers, 2.0K subscribers. We're doing videos for you every day for the last 3-4 years. Almost 2K videos, could you imagine? Come part of the wolves, hit that bell. But a lot of people are forgetting what is happening. Hong Kong spot crypto ETFs to start trading next week. Did we all forget? Yes, they're going to put so much fun inside your brain that you're actually going to forget that this was an occurrence. So we'll talk about that and much more. And ladies and gentlemen, well, we've been paying attention. Well, you know what? The entire world, if we paid attention on this chart currently right here, hit that like and subscribe. Please, I assure you that this is going to be a great video. Talking about the news, talking about some macros, talking about technical analysis, what's going on. I love everyone to see you in the super chat. We got some special people in the house this morning. We got Mr. M, I know who you are. And I got Mr. Anwar, the shed of light to me. I think that's my new technical definition for you, my brother, because you shed me some light all the time. Let's take a peek, though. I wanted to say 52% of this market right now in the cryptocurrency is very, very, if you ask me, short on the market, which is bearish. 23% right now. Currently, we do have a little bit of some bullish momentum, but if you do understand, we have 25% on the sidelines currently right now. It says 24, but I really see that it's about 25%. It's a quarter of the market waiting for something to happen, okay? Whether we go up, down, FOMO, get in or out. But that's what we're paying attention to currently right now for the total crypto market cap. We'll get to that in just a second. I didn't even put that up. But ADA, right? A lot of people, you may actually agree with this article. I do. ADA, XRP, ETC. We're talking about Ripple, Cardano, and Ethereum Classic face zombie allegations. Bad news for their future. Well, that's up to you, because I'll tell you right now, I need some selling pressure for the price to go up. How does that happen? Well, a lot of people will be buying cheap prices, and then there will be some type of FOMO coming in. So either way, I'm a big believer in ETC and Cardano. I'm not a big believer in XRP. I like the newest thing going on with XRP, with the stablecoin news. I'm pretty excited, but I do understand all about this zombie blockchain thing that's coming up. Pretty insane talk. I never thought that I'd see this, but it's, they earned that. So talking about certain things, we got Jerome Powell hopefully on the next rate cut. We're talking about some funny things by economies moving. And, well, here we are. We're right into the charts. And why was Ethereum pumping? Does anybody want to know why? Well, Frank Templeton's proposed spot Ethereum appeared on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation website. So if you're new to that, you may just be finding out that on the 27th, which is today's the 28th, proposed spot Ethereum appeared on it. So the DTCC, if you want to get why they say the DTCC, because who the hell wants to say that 100 times? But this is very big news, people. Consider it a type of a hint that Franklin is ready to jump into the ETH spot ETF market. However, experts said that the appearance of any pending ETF product on the DTCC website doesn't mean that the SEC body is ready to approve ETH spot ETF applications. So very important to understand that. There's $300 million in treasury funds using the Polygon and Stellar blockchains creating the Benji tokens. Pretty exciting news here. I like the article. I was reading a little bit about this morning. This is very important news right now. We're very bullish in the macro world right now, right? If we were to talk about these sort of things. And while Bitcoin seems to be doing a little bit of a repetitive chart analysis here, if this is what you want to talk about, people don't believe in it. I love it, right? How do I get some of my prices, levels, things of that nature under the exponential moving average, currently right now on the daily, looking pretty strong. Got the symmetrical pattern, kind of developing in the same sort of pattern where we were last time. And if I were to say about where we would need to be, somewhere around here before that breakout. And the more and more I keep looking at it, the more and more it seems like June is really going to come through. And we're going to have those 2 months down as I projected or predicted about 3 weeks ago. And it seems like that is starting to occur. So we're getting this kind of pattern coming in. Some people call it ABC-like correction. Some people call it a little bit of a falling wedge. It's really nothing right now, but if we do get that particular same move from here to there, you can see what's going on. Same kind of sort of thing. I don't want to get that descending, but it does look pretty strong. If we break above that 66.8, there's about $2 billion liquidated. Right about here at that 67.8, excuse me. $2 billion in shorts liquidated. We saw from the beginning of the charts, right? We talked much about it. There is a short position of about $2 billion being liquidated at that price. There is also a daily CME gap that must be created and filled in. We can see that as well. There's a lot of things we're paying attention to currently right now that could get you. There's a whole meat inside of this big symmetrical triangle pattern. And I will surprise you and say a 2X is coming. Well, yeah, it could be coming. There will be a fall first. Of course there's a fall first. A little bit of manipulation getting you scared. So some of you chumps, and that's how they look at you, and that you'll be selling. And then right there, boom, bam, wham, thank you, ma'am. You could be seeing a price for the cryptocurrency Bitcoin King to be going up like that. That happens, obviously, a little bit of some, there will be major correction, or maybe not a major. But regardless, compared to what the price is now, we will be looking to be going higher. Where do I look to see it to be falling? Well, you can see here at the top right here, this is where we want it to be. That is the EMA. It's yellow on top. Want it to flip and stay above. You can see here, that's what happened. We flipped and stayed above. Came down a little bit, though. So that's what we're going to pay attention to for one more little pullback. Is this finally it? Do we get a touchback of 62,300? These are your prices right now that I must and I will be paying close attention to. So this is a little short here. Not a little short. Here's a little thing I made. And I wanted you to see 2 billion liquidated in shorts right now. Positions could happen right around this area. That's what we're paying attention to. These are my little support levels. And you can see here how we touched a few times. It was like 3 times here coming in. It's looking pretty disgusting, I'll be honest. It's looking pretty bad coming through here. And if we are getting those 2 months, as I told you, over and over and over, if we're breaking through, well, on the daily, we do have something called about a 55,000, and that's where we were fooling around with here. Fibonacci sequence, 38.2 pullback. There would be like a 55,000 area that I'll be putting a big long position, and if that does occur, orders will be filling, and then I'll be ready to go from there. But Wall Street, Pete Signo, and Crypto, trying to give you a quick video, 10 minutes if possible, coming around back in here in range, and you can see big cup and handle would be forming. So that's some of the scenarios that we're looking for. So right now we have on the daily 9 hours and 30 minutes to find out what is going to happen. Are we getting this double bottom coming in, or are we just getting these M's all the way down through to the 55? We'll see. Right here coming in as a 52.8. That's where I'm thinking would be a max pain. And if anybody was wondering, you know what a max pain is, because, well, if you've been in Bitcoin at the 16,000, 20,000 price, you 100% bet your butt. Yes, you could tell someone, I know exactly what the max pain is. So my name is Wall Street, Pete Signo, Crypto, talking about the possibilities where we could go up, down. Pay attention here, though. I do like an upward W. I do like this fill here. This would be pretty understood if this started to occur. I would not be surprised if we did start to fill that somehow. So that's why I was going to say 70,900. I do think we're going to break and get a 2X coming, but be careful. Be careful, because we could retest that price before we do that. My name is Wall Street, Pete Signo, Crypto. None of this is financial advice. If you pay attention to the background here, NYMEX. New York Mercantile Exchange, that's actually where I worked. Somewhere in this picture with these people running, I kid you not, I could be in the picture. It's very likely. Unfortunately, I cannot spot myself. It's such a crappy picture, but this is how it is. People screaming and yelling. What is this called? This is called the open outcry pit. This is where things were traded before things became digital, and now everything is going to become digital. Your butt is going to be digital one day. Now, being very facetious, but you can understand where I'm getting at with these sort of things. So have a great day, Wall Street Pete. Let me know in this crypto comment. I've really not gotten too many of them What crypto asset would you like me to go over? Just wanted to do a quick 10-minute video on Bitcoin, let you know what's going on, why Ethereum may be popping. I might have to change that title there. But pretty much what's going on with cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please, if most of all, if you get to hit the like button, please smash that like button. Go over onto that bell and hit that all notification so we do go live. You would have watched this immediately if you were able. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Take care. Peace in and peace out.